Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Whether you're a graphic designer, video creator, or gamer, having the right PC is crucial for your workflow and enjoyment. Today, we're diving into the best PC builds for each of these categories. Let's get started. First up, graphic designers. You need a PC that can handle intensive software like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign with ease. Here's what we recommend. For the processor, go for the Intel Core i7-13700K or AMD Ryzen 7 7700X. These CPUs provide excellent single-thread performance, which is crucial for design tasks. Next, the GPU. While you don't need a top-tier graphics card, a mid-range option like the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 or AMD Radeon RX 6700 XT will ensure smooth performance and future-proof your build. Memory is another key aspect. Aim for 32 GB of RAM to handle large files and multitasking efficiently. Corsair Vengeance or G-Skill Trident Z are great choices. Storage is critical too. A fast NVMe SSD like the Samsung 970 EVO Plus with at least 1 TB capacity will speed up your workflow significantly. Lastly, invest in a high-quality monitor with accurate color reproduction. The Dell Ultra Sharp U2720Q or the ASUS Pro Art PA 279CV are fantastic for ensuring your designs look their best. Now, let's talk about video creators. You need a powerful rig to handle 4K footage, multiple layers, and effects without any lag. Here's the ultimate setup for you. Start with a robust CPU like the AMD Ryzen 9 7950X or Intel Core i9-13900K. These processors excel in multi-threaded performance, crucial for rendering and encoding. For the GPU, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 Ti or AMD Radeon RX 7900 XT will provide the horsepower needed for GPU-accelerated tasks in software like Adobe Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve. 64 GB of RAM is recommended for handling large projects and complex timelines. Look for reliable brands like Corsair Dominator Platinum or Kingston HyperX. Option for a combination of a 2 TB NVMe SSD for your OS and applications, and a larger 4 TB HDD for your video storage. The Western Digital Black Series offers excellent performance and reliability. And don't forget about your display setup. Dual monitors are ideal, with one being a high-resolution panel like the LG Ultra Fine 5K, and the other a reference monitor for color grading, such as the BenQ SW271. Last but not least, gamers. To enjoy the latest titles in their full glory, here's the ultimate gaming PC build. At the heart of your gaming PC, we recommend the Intel Core i9-13900K or AMD Ryzen 7950 X3D. These CPUs offer top-tier performance for the most demanding games. For the GPU, go all out with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 or AMD Radeon RX 7900 XTX. These beasts will handle any game at ultra settings and high frame rates. 32 GB of RAM is perfect for gaming and future-proofing your build. The Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro is a great choice, offering both performance and aesthetics. Storage-wise, a 1 TB NVMe SSD for your OS and a 2 TB SSD for your game library like the Samsung 980 Pro and Sabrent Rocket 4 Plus will ensure fast load times and ample space. Finally, invest in a high refresh rate monitor like the Asus ROG SwiftPG 279QZ or the Alienware AW3423DW for a truly immersive gaming experience. And there you have it, the best PC builds for graphic designers, video creators and gamers. Remember, these are just recommendations, and you can always adjust based on your budget and needs. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech content, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.